Hi all. Just fed the fish there. I want to make a reel here. Give them a bit more. Look at them all. Pond's pretty clear. So I got my my impeller. Haven't installed. I'm actually you notice there's the waterfall's not going on here. I have it in there. I'm just in the middle of doing it, but I thought I'd just basically come on here, show you what it's like without anything. Nothing. It's just quiet. Anyhow, that's that. Hopefully next time I come on, it's gonna be running. It's working. Look at that. Oh, happy days. That's a happy day. Look at that. The fish are like, what? There's more food? Look at that, ladies and gents. All right, next. This. Oh, I'm so happy. That's my big pump. And she's going pretty hard. You can kind of hear it from here, but oh, look at this guy. This guy? Oh, where is he? Hey, the little orange guy right here. Oh, he's he's gone. Oh, he's there. Anyways, there's one that always, there's the little guy. He always goes up. Yeah. And just like that, she's back. Oh my God. You don't realize how happy I am. Just literally turned it on. Bit of the muck in there. It's coming out, but look at that. I can't tell you. I really wished I had this for the pig roast, but whatever. It's what it is. Both pumps are working. Yeah. That's all I wanted. You know, as much as bugs me, like Aquascape, Ponds Online got this for me. If you ever need anything and you live in Canada, these guys are the bomb. They have the best pricing, you know, and I've bought a lot of my stuff from them. And they actually got it straight from Aquascape. So, thank you, Aquascape. Aquascape Canada, I think. Yeah, because I think it came from Ontario. But yeah, we're back in business. Look at that. So happy. And actually, it sounds really good. When I first turned her on, iffy about how it sounded, but no, it sounds really good. Oh, listen to that. Listen. Hey, this pond, or this waterfall, there's nothing like it. It's just crazy. Look at that. It's so amazing. So amazing. And look at our froggy. Mr. Froggy. But yeah, look at that. Oh, so stoked just to get it going. the fish are just like, what the heck? Yeah, so next year, this is how how I have everything set up. Next year, I'm definitely gonna fix it up, make it a little cleaner. Even in this section here, there's a lot of weeds. It's gonna look good. Let me get that. So, it's the thing about this. Each year's a new year. And yeah. All right. Give her a feed. Another feed. Oh. There they are. Hello, fishies. Yeah. Some of them don't even want to come. They're like, oh, the waterfall. Yeah. Yeah. Batman. I have an all black koi. I call him Batman because, we had one that was called Batman, and then it got eaten by a heron. And we got another 2, and then they turned basically blue. One got killed, and then we got another one, or another 2, and one got eaten. So yeah, we only have one left. Anyhow, you guys have a great night, because I know I will. I'm going to sleep nicely because this is all set up. Have a good night. Bye-bye.